got some information there was some issue in this hospital, and we dispatched our officers. And when they came in, they were able to restore order. Later, I joined them together with my DCIO. And through engagement, engaging the both sides, we were able to restore order. And as you can see, they are also engaging and talking so that the lives of the patients are not put in danger.
Get the articles of incorporation, the memorandum of understanding. You'll see that when I wrote that with our lawyer, there's not a word about Catholic Church or Assumption Sisters or any other church group. It's a limited liability company.